Okay guys, Buffalo, New York, 2014 Ultra Snowstorm Polar Vortex. That's my car. Hey Dad! Oh! Dad! What do you want me to do?
I want you to put your car there, that's what I want you to do.
Alright, we'll get my car out. He's snapping. Everyone's snapping. Oh my god. I can't believe this, Mom.
What?
Can't believe this.
Yeah, do it from here.
Mom, this is the polar vortex or something. Oh my god, get out of here, Mom, stop it. You're wearing.
I don't know.
You look gangster.
Thank you.
Okay, bye-bye. Dad's got the beanie on. Dad. Wow. Ridiculous. Good old Big Bertha. Is that a starter coat? No, it's not. It's a fake. Both, Mom. Big Bertha throwing it deep. Hold on. What do you want? You just want a picture? Okay, say cheese. That's a movie.
No, I'm not gonna.
Yeah, where are you going?
Going out there, I gotta do something with those things. You guys think it's all a joke over here.
What's a joke?
She does, hold the corn. What do I want to hold corn for?
I'll help.
Get out of here with that.
Okay.
Yeah. Probably have to wear my sneakers with them. So, where's my other? These are my regular shoes. Joey.
Crap. Dad! Dad! I thought you were getting it!
Huh?
I thought you were getting it! I thought you were getting it! Why not this?
Then it comes over here.
So?
Let's get rid of these things.
What things? Alright. Go ahead, Dad. You broke the shovel? Alright. Yeah, you did. Alright. He broke a shovel, Alicia. Yeah. Whoa. Dad, this right here, Dad. He's doing good. Proud of him. Little sailor boy. A real scallywag. Hit it, Dad. Hit it. Oh, wow. Go ahead. Oh. Freezing. Oh, Dad.
He did it.
Dad, you did it.
You're so laughing.
You the man, Dad. Mom. Strunza. Está minha.